In the vast tapestry of time, woven with the threads of dreams and woven by the hands of destiny, there exists a land radiant and resilient. This land is the United States, a nation born from courageous conviction and characterized by a perpetual pursuit of liberty. Here, the echoes of pivotal moments and emblematic figures narrate a saga rich with triumph and tempest alike. In the beginning, long before the European sails graced the eastern shores, the indigenous tribes thrived, stewarding the land with reverence and harmony. They sculpted the landscapes and shaped societies with knowledge passed down through the ages. The first chapter of this land was replete with diverse cultures and traditions, an intricate mosaic of human life. With the winds of change came the age of exploration. From the mists of European ambition emerged figures such as Christopher Columbus, and later the English adventurers who sought new horizons. Their ventures forever altered the tapestry of the native world, heralding an era where two universes collided violently yet undeniably, setting the stage for a new society. Among the shadows of colonization rose the Founding Fathers, figures of myth and might. It was George Washington, whose resolve became the backbone of the nascent republic. His stead and visionary, Thomas Jefferson, etched the Declarations of Independence. Then came Alexander Hamilton, the architect of fiscal prowess, and Benjamin Franklin, emblem of ingenuity and diplomacy. Together, they authored the United States Constitution, crafting with it a nation steeped in liberty, justice, and the daring promise of life in pursuit of happiness. The years that followed witnessed a nation in constant metamorphosis. Strife and struggle marked the dawn and the dusk. The Civil War, a cacophony of ideals clashing, waged under the watch of Abraham Lincoln. His leadership and emancipation endeavors paved the path toward a more united union. The American spirit, unyielding, emerged into the light of Reconstruction and reconciliation. The tapestry continued to develop as the United States emerged knitted stronger from the fires of conflict. Figures like Martin Luther King Jr. reminded the nation of its fundamental creed, equality for all. His voice, thunderous with righteousness, beckoned the nation to uphold the dignity and honor it professed. Thus, the United States, scoured by wars and enlightened by ingenuity, ventured into the skies. The moon landing, that celestial feat achieved under the boughs of unity, showcased a nation of bold possibilities. President John F. Kennedy's intrepid vision cemented mankind's odyssey into the stars. Through eras affected by economic complexity and the winding waves of world affairs, the United States endured. It has been sculpted by the gifted minds of its architects, stirred by those who dared to stand against tyranny. In this noble chronicle, the story of the United States is not merely a record of past events, but an everlasting testament to a relentless endeavor for freedom, the elements of which are indivisibly real in the hearts of those who believe in the timeless noumenon of its cause. As we traverse the corridors of time, we listen to the whisper of history, guiding us with tales of yore into the realms of a promising tomorrow.